So far, ano yung masasabi mo sa house?
It's so beautiful.
It is, right? Beautiful. Hi, it's Alone. So they're visiting to my home, and so far,
Everyone,
yeah.
have a beautiful home.
Thank you. We work hard for this home. Gusto niya talaga magpa-picture siya talaga dyan, no? Kasi ganda-ganda siya sa bahay ko. Oh, yeah, we're here na. Are you guys being happy?
Yeah, actually.
Kasi ang ganda, right? Maganda siya sa panayan. So we have to...
Thank you for being with us.
You're very welcome. Oo. Kasi, lagi nila ako gustong sumama ng Sunday, but I can't. Kasi tinatamad na ako. But now, so watch for us.
I love this. So, ingat namin.
Totoo. Init lang talaga siya. So guys, para bumakabili tayo na bago, you have to watch this and subscribe. Kala tayo sa subscribe. Sobrang init. Ano tiyaw? Are you okay? Ay. Ito yung isa naman. Pupunta tayo dyan kasi nandito yung boyfriend ko. So, namumpla na ako. Si Mima fresh na fresh pa rin.
Hindi. Habang pausa-pausa.
Diba? I think, yeah.
Here, right?
Ano ba?
Saka dyan. Ang buhok ko.
Hindi ka pa rin.
Oh my God.
Kasi si Mama, oh.
Pili-pili ko.
That's si Mom. Hi! It's the owl. I took a picture here. Ay! Yung first time nila dito, nagulat sila because it's so ganda.
Parang gusto ko na uminom eh.
Ay, amin. So, we kind of like nagsaservan tayo ni Miss Lona. Tapos, pera ni TL. Yeah. Okay. Where's mine? Where's mine?
Always.
Hey mom, we just eat a food with my colleagues. So you had to my mom, Mima. Hi TL, that's me TL. They're may kasama. Guys, this is the end of this vlog. Magbabay ka muna.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye Mima. Magbabay ka na.
Bye-bye.
Mom.
Ingat ka.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
See ya.
See you, see ya.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.